so late to the Gua Sha game, it's not even funny. You know I do all the Botox and the filler, all the beauty treatments, but sometimes I feel like my face could just use a little depuff. So when I decided to give this Gua Sha thing a try, I went to Google and I found Filterless Era. I liked what I saw, I liked what I read, I liked the reviews that they got, and I liked the fact that they had a variety of kits that you could buy to get started. I decided on the 6-piece Royal Flush collection. It comes with a stainless steel Gua Sha, a stainless steel facial roller, a Gua Sha and facial oil, a reflexology tool, a 2-piece facial cupping set. To be honest, I'm not exactly sure how to do this yet, but I'm willing to give it a try. And if you're just as late to the Gua Sha game as I am, I invite you to join me so that we can support each other through this. Now, I happen to have a discount code that you can use. If you use code BarbaraAlex, all one word, all caps, you can save 17%. The link is at the top of my page in my bio. So if you join me, DM me, let me know. Let's try this Gua Sha thing together.